After a tiring exercise, we need refreshment. So let's try making this simple and easy to follow fruit salad recipe. Aside from it's very healthy, it's also very yummy since the tastes from different fruits complement one another. If you like sweet and sour food, you can try making this at home. Also, this recipe is good for lactose intolerant people. Most Filipino fruit salads have milk, but there are people who are allergic to milk. For those who don't know, lactose intolerance is a condition in which you have digestive symptoms such as bloating, diarrhea, and gas after you consume foods or drinks that contain lactose. Lactose is a sugar that is naturally found in milk and milk products, like cheese or ice cream. People with lactose intolerance are unable to fully digest the sugar or lactose in milk. As a result, they have diarrhea, gas, and bloating after eating or drinking dairy products. I hope you like it!